Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can withdraw money from Polymarket or how you can cash out. Now, the first step is going to be connecting a Web3 wallet, so MetaMask or any of these other wallets such as Wallet Connect. So you got to connect a Web3 wallet. You should have USDC in your wallet from the prediction market you've participated in. Now, the second step will be withdrawing USDC from Polymarket. So once you've logged into Polymarket and your wallet is connected, you will need to navigate to portfolio or account. You should see your USDC balance and you will initiate the withdrawal of your USDC to the wallet that we have connected in the previous step. Now, the third step will be converting USDC to cash. After withdrawing your USDC to your wallet, you will need to cash out to fiat currency. So whether USD or euros or any other currency, you can do it on the wallet that you've connected. So here you can see using a centralized exchange such as Coinbase or Binance, we gotta send the USDC from MetaMask to exchange. Go to a crypto exchange such as Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken that supports Polygon network and USDC. Copy your USDC deposit address from the exchange, making sure you select the Polygon Matic network. In MetaMask or your chosen wallet, initiate a transfer of USDC to exchange to the wallet by pasting the copy deposit address. Then we just gotta convert USDC to fiat. So once your USDC arrives in your exchange account, you can convert USDC to your local currency, US dollars, euros, such as or any other currency, and you gotta withdraw to your bank account. So after converting your USDC to fiat, you can withdraw the money to your bank account. Now here you can see that you have to pay some gas fees, which basically means that some transaction fees. And here's an example overview of the process. So you gotta sell your positions in Polymarket for USDC. You gotta withdraw USDC to your Web3 wallet, such as MetaMask. Then we gotta send USDC to a crypto exchange that supports Polygon. The fourth step will be selling the USDC for fiat currency and withdrawing the fiat to our bank account. Hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.